arm working? Good. How's that feel?
Good.
Good. And slowly back down with just the one hand. Good, very good. Keep going. How hard is working? Breathe. You're getting a little light on me. Now stop it right there. Stop. Stop that whole bar from going. There you go. Wow. Good for you.
Switch around.
Yeah, but you had to move your position, your wrist, which is good. Now push. Position. Ooh, Scott. Okay, now go ahead and help.
You think I had never did you?
I did. I'm surprised you did that.
Oh, come on.
That's great.
Here's everything I got.
Good. Is it getting sore? Is your arm getting sore? No?